Littelfuse's KC series of miniature leaded epoxy-coated thermistors are high-reliability sensors for use in temperature measurement, control, and compensation applications. Based on leading-edge technology, the leaded form factor of the KC series is compact and manufactured using techniques to produce devices that deliver long-term reliability. The epoxy-coated sensing element has a maximum width of just 0.095 inches, with 1.5-inch long 28 AWG leads for flexible placement. The leads are also insulated with KYNAR for durability and tolerance to chemical exposure and high-temperature environments. Littelfuse KC series thermistors are rated for operation from -55 to up to 135 degrees Celsius, and they have a fast thermal response, with a max time constant of 1 second in an oil bath and 10 seconds in still air. They also have a low 1 milliwatt per degree Celsius dissipation constant, providing designers flexibility to balance measurement error and sensitivity. Littelfuse offers the KC series thermistors with resistance values from 100 ohms to 100 kilo ohms at 25 degrees Celsius, with 10% and 1% tolerance options available. They also have various beta values and RT curves, so designers can select a thermistor that meets the target application requirements. And for more information on Littelfuse KC series miniature leaded epoxy-coated thermistors, visit Mauser.com.